ako'y taga-tundo, taas mo kahit kanino.
You try to love and enjoy what's happening in your life, then nothing is impossible.
So never lose hope, never lose that chance, and always take the risk because sometimes it's always worth the ticket.
Not just as a woman, but as a human being.
Enjoying having interconnectedness with the people.
Ayan, katatapos ko na manood ng preliminary interview ng mga contestants natin sa Miss Masquerade 2025. And so far, very, very satisfactory ang performances nila. I'm so excited sa result ng pageant na ito. But at the same time, nervous na ako para sa kanila. Kasi nga, bilang isang beauty queen, alam ko kung ano ang nararamdaman pag nanalo, pag natalo, especially na very hopeful ang mga contestants natin. But at the end of the day, it is not just a crown that defines who you are. It is how you fight and make a good fight. So in this video, kukuha lang tayo ng portions ng mga sagot ng mga contestants natin so that we have an idea how they perform during the preliminary interview. Pero kasi ang naabutan ko is si contestant number 5 or si Miss Cappy, so hindi ko na-capture yung sagot ng first 4 contestants.
I did my part to inspire other people and most especially to inspire my co-candidates.
Recently, I've been enjoying having interconnectedness with the people, especially in this kind of setup, pageantry. I was able to connect with more people, know their stories, and apply it as a learning experience as well.
Here, our new generation, because ika nga sabi mo sa Rizal, na ang kabataan ay pag-asa ng bayan. All my struggles, all my problems that I've been faced, they always use that to motivate, to achieve my dreams in life.
Every day you are a warrior. You find people questioning your validity, not just as a woman, but as a human being. Because the most important validation you should be seeking is from the person you saw when you go in front of the mirror. And whether people will be questioning your gender identity, your color, your race, or whatever you are, do not listen to them. Your words is more important than their words. Kung proud ako bilang isang Pinoy, ay kung paano po ako nagiging matapang sa lahat ng pagsubok na pagdadaanan natin sa ating mga buhay. At kahit anong problema ang ating ibalat sa ating mga balikan, ay matuto tayong maging matatag at maging matapang. Because always remember, there is tomorrow for you to go your victory. Mas gugustuhin ko kung makita ang mga kabataan na may pinag-aralan na kaya silang suportahan ng kanilang mga magulang. Wala akong takot ipakilala kung ano ang nilalaman ng aking puso. Ako ay taga-tundo, taas mo kahit kanino.
I always believe that if there is love, there is understanding. On the second chance, I know that on your first chance, there is a lot of love.